If you're a C-level executive or a business owner, you already know that scaling a business is an absolutely incredible achievement. Seriously, hats off to you. But what happens when the very systems that got you to this point start, well, actively working against you? Today, we're exploring exactly how to move beyond all that operational chaos and build a rock-solid foundation for truly scalable growth. We're going to see how LaunchPoint ERP Solutions is helping growing companies absolutely shatter the scaling ceiling.
Okay, let's dive into this, because this is exactly where the friction usually starts. Your company's growing, right? Maybe you're adding new locations, launching new product lines, or rapidly expanding your team. But your back-office technology? It hasn't kept up at all. You're probably running on QuickBooks, or maybe a super disjointed mix of entry-level accounting software and completely siloed point solutions. And this right here is what creates that rigid scaling ceiling. You want to push forward, you have the momentum, but your own tech stack is literally holding you back.
You definitely know you have a problem when you're running what industry experts lovingly call a Franken-system architecture. The symptoms are undeniable, and frankly, they're incredibly frustrating for executives. We're talking about month-end financial closes that drag out for 7 business days, or, let's be real, sometimes weeks if you're managing multiple entities. Your team is wasting hours doing totally manual spreadsheet reconciliations. You know the drill, juggling a dozen different offline files just to figure out where the business stands, usually at like 11 p.m. on a Friday. You've got extremely limited visibility, constant manual inventory adjustments, and people rekeying data from your CRM directly into your finance system. It's just a massive, massive drain on your company's productivity.
So picture the stark contrast between that current chaos and what future clarity looks like. In the before state, you were entirely bogged down by data silos and spreadsheet madness. But in the after state, you achieve automated workflows, real-time insights, and truly connected operations, all living in a single, highly scalable platform. And the data completely backs this up. Businesses making this transition average a 30% increase in efficiency and a 25% reduction in costs, just through process automation. The big takeaway here? There is absolutely a proven way out of this operational friction.
But finding that way out requires a guide, and that is exactly where LaunchPoint ERP Solutions steps in. Think of them as veteran guides armed with the ultimate enterprise solutions to help your business actually win. LaunchPoint's entire mission is built on one simple belief: powerful, enterprise-grade technology shouldn't just be reserved for Fortune 500 companies. They step in and equip mid-market businesses with the strategy and, crucially, the ongoing support needed to scale efficiently.
And when I say veteran guide, I am talking about serious, battle-tested experience. The founders of LaunchPoint bring over 50 combined years of deep ERP experience to the table. I mean, 50 years. This isn't just theoretical, read it in a textbook kind of knowledge. This is hands-on, strategic expertise that spans across distribution, manufacturing, construction, and professional services.
To really understand LaunchPoint, you have to meet the co-founders driving this transformation. First, you've got Steve Naiman, the technical director. Steve brings over 26 years of deep ERP expertise, holds a computer science degree, and he's an Acumatica certified consultant. He perfectly blends that deep technical knowledge with practical, real-world implementation experience. And alongside him is Derek Lilthar, an ERP strategist who also has over 26 years under his belt. Derek's career spans major leadership roles involving industry giants like Sage, NetSuite, and Acumatica. Their immense credibility really boils down to one simple fact: they don't just understand the software, they understand business. When you partner with them, they treat your operational challenges as if they were their own. And this brilliantly illustrates the engine they use to actually drive that business transformation. It's Acumatica Cloud ERP. This is the ultimate platform for unifying your financials, your CRM, and your core operations. Now, a really important distinction: Acumatica was born in the cloud. It wasn't some old, clunky legacy system that got quickly retrofitted for the internet. Not at all. It was designed from day one explicitly to enable mid-market companies to thrive in a connected, collaborative digital economy.
So the really crucial point here is how Acumatica is uniquely configured by the LaunchPoint team to solve your exact sector challenges. Let's break this down a bit. If you're in distribution, you're getting advanced inventory tracking and multi-warehouse management. Construction, you get fully integrated project financials. Manufacturing gains heavily optimized production tracking. And for franchise operations, well, this is a total game changer. It gives you instant network-wide P&L consolidations and automates your royalty calculations. It completely eliminates that absolute nightmare of multi-entity spreadsheet reporting where executives end up wasting days just trying to figure out how individual locations are actually performing.
But hey, we aren't just talking about unifying data here. We need to look at the absolute cutting edge of this tech, and this is where it gets incredibly exciting. Acumatica's built-in AI tools are completely transforming the idea of an ERP. It goes from being a simple, static database into a highly intelligent, proactive advisor that genuinely helps you lead your market.
It is super vital to define what an AI-first ERP actually means in this context. Because look, this isn't some bolted-on gimmick or a flashy dashboard feature that doesn't really do anything. AI-first means the enterprise platform is built from the ground up to integrate artificial intelligence into every single workflow. It's native intelligence. It securely automates those highly repetitive tasks nobody wants to do. For example, it automatically categorizes your incoming invoices. It detects weird anomalies in your financial data to prevent fraud, and it even provides text autocomplete to speed up user entry. The whole design philosophy is to empower your people, not replace them.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the sharp contrast in system architecture. When you look at disparate point solutions, your data silos are sky high. Automation is strictly reactive, and honestly, your security is highly vulnerable across multiple weak points. But an AI-first cloud ERP, it eliminates those silos entirely, the automation becomes proactive and deeply embedded, and perhaps most importantly for business leaders, I cannot stress this enough, the security is privacy by design. Your sensitive company data is locked down and strictly isolated. It is never ever used to train public AI models.
LaunchPoint is 100% committed to your success. By following this highly structured roadmap and utilizing a true AI-first platform, their end goal is to deliver 100% real-time visibility across all of your operations. So you can finally stop managing your business by spreadsheet and actually start leading by insight.
As they put it, and I quote, LaunchPoint ERP Solutions will show you how Acumatica will help you be profitable and grow your revenue. Contact us for a free assessment. Follow LaunchPoint on its journey of growth, and we look forward to working with you soon.
Ultimately, the big question you really have to ask yourself is this. Are you going to let your outdated systems continue to dictate your scaling ceiling, or will you embrace the intelligent business era and truly take control of your growth?